Hey guys, Chris Camaro here. Got another video. Today we got paint sprayer. It's a TACLIFE Power Tools electric paint sprayer. There's the part number, model number. There's all the stuff for it. So this is the box. Seems pretty nice. We actually got two of them because we're trying to do a big house. But 120 volts, 900 milliliters. That's the capacity of the container there. 4 amps. I don't know. Not sure what all this other stuff is. But we'll see. Alright. So I dumped out the box. There we go. This bag, we have the cleaning brush. Big O-ring thing, I don't know. Little attachments, everything, all this little crap, different nozzles. I think that's a funnel. Not sure. I have no idea. We got the bucket container here. The nozzle, you can change it. Go circular. Oh, you know what? Maybe there's no nozzle on it yet. Okay. But yeah, you can do circular, you can do 90 degree. Here's the instructions. We're gonna need those. Some assembly required, right? Jesus Christ. We got the sprayer. Big fan blower thing. So I'm guessing this goes like this. Somehow connects in there. But, yeah, seems cool. Seems cool. Alright, well, that should do it. So, Chris Camaro signing off. And make sure you like and subscribe. Chris Camaro. And I'll put the link in the description. And thanks for watching. Come back and I'll be another video coming soon.